Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Hurley and I'm the Director of Client Services here at TapClicks. And I'm here with
Steve Lubinsky, Enterprise Customer Success Manager.
Today we are going to talk through a couple things related to GA4 implementation. So we have a services team that is part of our customer experience org here at TapClicks. And that has three main components. It has our implementation team who oversees training and project management of getting new customers onboarded onto the platform. Has our solution architects team who gathers requirements and makes those requirements a reality within our platform via custom solutions. And also our professional services team that can make tweaks and updates to our GA4 templates that we have already available through the platform.
Now, if our templates aren't what you need, if you're looking for more, we have a couple of different options. So one is obviously Andrew's team can build out templates for you, working with your customer success manager. The other thing too is, let's say you don't see certain metrics that you want. So TapClicks is dynamic in the way we pull data as well. So what we can do is we have this DIY concept. We call it do it yourself, but really you're not building anything on your own. What you're doing is you're just defining it. You're saying, hey, Steve and team, I need these metrics with these dimensions. Like, this is my secret sauce. We get that information. One of our engineers has a quick way to code that, and then you get your own custom data view. Now, within that is, let's say there's another way you want to kind of splice the data. We have this option called second level mapping. Now, I use my dental practice example all the time. So let's say you have a dental practice, they have multiple locations. You don't want to assign all the data to one location. You want to assign that data to different locations. And how you can do that is second level mapping using page path is a perfect example. You can take certain pages and assign it to certain clients in TapClicks.
We also have a network of TapClicks certified partners that can also help with GA4 setup. So say, for example, that you are newer to Google Analytics 4 and you just have some questions, or maybe you even want your instance audited to make sure that it is set up utilizing best practices. We can refer you over to a partner that not only is an expert in Google Analytics 4, but is also certified in TapClicks, so they know the best way to set that environment up so that by the time the data makes its way over to TapClicks, it is set up for optimal success. So to conclude here, we have our services team that is part of our customer experience org that is ready to handle any GA4 question that could come our way. So whether that be additional training on the platform, whether that be solution architecting through a custom solution that needs to be created, or a tweak to existing dashboard templates through our professional services team, our team is ready and able to help with the transition over to Google Analytics 4 and visualizing that data within TapClicks.